today we are going to react on some of the best drawing videos I have seen on internet today. Paper, black crayons, blue crayons. I am bad with crayons. I don't like colors. What is using to merge them? Paper, I think. Brush for making stars. Okay, black color. What is going to make with it? Yeah, foreshadowing it. Okay. He's using crayon to make. Ah, that tree looks too beautiful. Nice. He's using rulers. I don't know what. Huh? Yeah, design looks too pretty. Let's just see the end result by the way. Nice. Nursema. Okay. She's using pencil to make those shades. She's using pencil like this, okay. And that's good thing. Okay. What she's making, I don't know. Okay. She's making a curved lines. Is it tree or what? Yeah, that's tree, coconut trees. A big shout out to Nursema. Okay. It's for beginners and kids will love it. Nice. She's making smaller details. Yeah. Okay. That sun is going down, maybe sunset time or sunrise, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, she's giving details too. Nice. It was good one. Farjana Drawing Academy. I love her videos by the way. Okay, 3D artwork. Oi! Those were flowers! Nice! This is with paper. Teacher, student. Teacher is making straight lines, student making side lines. Okay, teacher making small grasses. What's that? I don't know by the way. Okay, student is going good right now. Ah, teacher. The shade look too good. Again, Furjan Academy. Okay. She's just going with colors. Oh, nice. Which one is my drawing? I think that upper one. Okay. Damn. That looks good.